Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about what RIR is, or reps in reserve. So I use this to program most all of the exercises in your program. Reps in reserve is basically how to determine how close to failure we are getting. Closer we get to failing is really what causes the muscle to change. So we really want to get into very close into failure on almost every exercise to make sure that you're going to be getting that adaptation, which is what that muscle growth is. I usually recommend most of the exercises to be between 1 and 3 reps in reserve. What the heck does that mean? Okay, well that means if you had a gun to your head, could you get one more rep? That would be 1 rep in reserve, okay? If you can get 2 more reps in possibly, that's 2 reps in reserve. You could probably get 3 more. Okay, so then that's in that 1 to 3 range. Okay, so that's how heavy. It's gonna be very important that that's how heavy that you are lifting. That's the kind of intensity that I want you at when you are doing these programs. So a lot of exercises are programmed. You'll see reps and you'll see 8 to 12, and then in parentheses, 1 to 3 RIR. So what you're gonna do is, especially if this is your first time, you're gonna pick a weight. Say you're doing a bicep curl. You're gonna pick a weight and you're gonna try to go through that rep range. So you're gonna pick 10s, okay, for example. And you go through and you're doing your biceps curls, and you get to 8, you get to 10, you get 11, 12, and you're going right through there. I mean, it's a little challenging at the end, but really you're okay. So the next set, I want you to try to pick up something a little bit heavier, okay? So pick up some 12s and try to go through that same rep range, okay? So you're gonna go once you get to 8, are you struggling to get to 9? I mean, really, you should be struggling to get to that last rep. If you are, then you are in that good range. If you're not, try to go back and add weight. Now, if you go to add weight again, say you pick up 15s and you can't even get to 8, I would say that that's probably a little bit too heavy of a weight for you. So you're gonna back up again. Then you're gonna take those 12s and you're gonna go through your rep range. If you can get to 12 and you can get out 3 or 4 more reps, I want you to go until it is very much a struggle for you to make that last curl, okay? So it's gonna be very important. The intensity of your exercise is what is going to change your body, okay? So don't just blow through and go through till you get between 8 and 12 reps without feeling it. I really want you to focus on that intensity. That's what reps in reserve mean. It's not anything that you should ignore. It's definitely a huge part of the way I program my programs, and it's necessary for you to your muscles to adapt and grow.